पणजेच्या दिशा चॅरिटेबल ट्रस्टान मिरामारच्या टेनिस दी गॅस्पर्डायस क्लबान अखील गोंय चित्रकला सर्त आयोजीत केल्ली. ह्या वेळार वीज खात्याची सचिव नीला मोहनन आनी हेर मानेस हजर आशिल्ले. आरडीएक्स गोवा खातीर मिरामारच्यान गौतम शिरोडकार.
A warm welcome to all on this 18th All Goa Drawing Competition organized by Disha School. I am told that almost 500 plus students from all over Goa are participating in this competition. This has been a regular event and organized by Disha Charitable Trust with overwhelming response year after year. I congratulate the school management and the teachers of the respective schools and also the parents and teachers for encouraging students to participate in this function. Friends, Disha Charitable Trust formed in the year 1994 for dedicated efforts by dedicated in education.
An organization like Disha, which has put in so many years, over 24 years of service in this particularly important and significant sector of work for specially abled children, really deserves congratulations and continued support from every section of society. Normally, it is my policy whenever I attend a function like this, in my professional stroke personal capacity, to keep the professional side entirely away. But seeing Kamaji and Mr. Avelino here, I am very tempted and I am going to make an exception this time to talk a little bit about what we in the education department are thinking of and planning to do more for special children. The context in which I am making this point, both of them know the context, but for the information of others, is that this time, soon after our State Teachers Award was announced, there was a very relevant and very significant observation made by Mr. Avelino, and also which was brought to my notice by Kamaji, that no special educator was included in the list of awardees. It was not deliberate, may I submit that point, that it was definitely not deliberate, but it was an omission nevertheless. Go away. I know the effort and energy that is being put in by each and every person who is involved in this continuous movement towards making conditions better for our special children. That is why I feel that just if I come here and say a few things which are general in nature, it makes no sense and it will have no meaning. I was also sharing with Anil Kontiji. He was asking me what are the special things that we are doing here? What are we thinking about? What is it that we need to do in the months ahead, in the years ahead, to see that we are able to do something more for our special children? So I was just sharing with him that another thing that we are in the process of doing right now is also finalizing a policy for special education. It has been in the making for some time now. The file is currently in finance department as we speak, and very soon I am hopeful that we will be able to announce that policy as well, the scheme, a scheme for special children, in which we intend to, and our mission is to make our contribution from the government side towards special education much more meaningful and relevant. So